Hello students, we were doing this inequality. One more thing I want to tell you, and that is मैंने आपको वैल्यू निकाल के बताया था कि कैसे ये सॉल्व होगा। एक बात और भी है, एक हमारे पास कंडीशन भी है 0 0 और इधर से ओरिजिन this point is 0 0 where x is 0 and y is 0. So we have to check whether this condition is satisfied for 0 0 or not. Let us say 2 into 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 1. 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 1. 0 greater than or equal to 1. ये satisfy नहीं करता है। क्यों नहीं करता? Because 0 0 value इसको एग्री नहीं करती। So this area 0 0 is not in this inequality. So उस तरह से भी ये पोर्शन तो नहीं आएगा, ओरिजिन इसके पोर्शन में नहीं आएगा। कौन सा आएगा? ओरिजिन से अवे वाला। So this way right side will fall, and the next inequality which is given in the example is that is 2x, that is x smaller than equal to 2. See here there is no y, so there is no y, that means here y is equal to 0. Yes, so let for x is equal to 0, this satisfy. But what we have to take? We have to take let x is equal to 2. हमने smaller than हटा करके स्टैंडर्ड डालें, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन डाली, so what it becomes x is equal to 2, but here y is equal to 0 because there is no y is not here, so y is equal to 0. So what we have the first set of the value of x and y, and if we plot the graph here in the graph paper, so x is 2 and y is 0, so this is the point 2 0. So whatever be the line, it will be parallel to y axis, क्योंकि यहाँ पर y हमेशा 0 रहेगा, every time y will be 0 here. So this is the desired line, that is x is equal to 2. Okay. Now अब हमको चेक करना है क्या कि either it is satisfied by origin or not. So put x is equal to 0, y is already 0, smaller than equal to 2. ये कंडीशन क्या प्रूव करती है कि 0 is smaller than 2. 0 स्मॉलर तो है, that means इसके लिए origin that is 0 0 satisfy y, because y is not there, so no need to put y. We have x, so put the value of x here, so 0 0, or you can say origin satisfy here. This way all the right side, because the origin is on the left side area is all satisfy this inequality. Got it? So this is what we get, this is the solution. And then again we have the third inequality, और वो थोड़ी सी typical है, typical in the sense because it has absolute value. What absolute value? It has y minus x smaller than equal to 3. And you know that in this inequality it is absolute value. Absolute means either it is negative value, it will come up as positive, or either it is positive value, it will come as positive. इसकी value ultimate absolute value will be positive. तो ये अंदर की value माइनस भी हो सकती है और प्लस भी हो सकती है. So we can say that y minus x can be smaller or equal to 3 and can be greater or smaller than 3. So we have two set, एक set ये है और एक set ये है. So we have y minus x smaller than equal to 3, or we can have y minus x greater than equal to 3. So we have two inequalities in one. This is the first one, this is the second one. So solve this y minus x less than 3, solve this y minus x greater than 3. So आपको यहां से अलग एक्स वाई और शेड मिलेगा, यहाँ से अलग मिलेगा, और जो हम लोग निकालेंगे उसका सोल्यूशन उससे रिजल्ट निकलेगा. सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट हाउ टू डू दिस इनइक्वालिटी.